was that was a paddle across the lake into this wind. And we got some little whitecaps over here on this south shore. Whoa, winded. Which I'm over here in the lee of the south shore. It's not going to give me as high a rating as it would if I were out in the lake, of course. 14 and a half. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh, I love fishing when it's 14. We got a 14.5-mile-an-hour wind. Just lost one. Didn't feel like a huge fish, so there'll be more of them in here like that. Oh, here's one. Okay. Let's see if I can keep them on. Yeah. All right. Yeah, come on in, your fish. Yeah. How about that? They're going to come off, I'll tell you that. I hope he's not injured. I want to make sure you see this net that I've got behind me here. It looks like it's big game, doesn't it? I think you can see it. The woman over there, there's always somebody smart over at the ramp on Sunday afternoon at Miona, and she says, well, it looks like you're pretty well equipped, but I don't see a tarpoon. Ha ha. I don't see a tarpoon. So some smart ass over there. So I thought I had everything I needed. I haven't caught any more fish either, by the way. I'm just trolling here, going back to the ramp. Here, this is what I'm going into. There, I got a gust of 19.4 as I struggle to paddle back to the dock against the east wind. Can you see that? 19.4. I feel like I ought to be on the Weather Channel. You know, trying to impress everybody with how hard the wind is blowing in a tropical storm. Yeah, I'm almost back.